Hello! What's up guys? In today's episode, I made this guy. He's Mantis. Yes, he's a robot mantis. It has robot mantis arms. Also, it's kind of derpy. Look. Yes. It's kind of googly eyes. Has googly eyes. Yes. And he can like open his mouth like a mantis. Wow. And wow. So fun. Oh, well, that can happen sometimes. But this is an extraordinary feature that I added to him. Once he opens his mouth, he can spit acid that will dissolve any metal. Yes, metal. And by the way, this is a robot mantis. And this, I want this to become the legs. No, I want to attach legs, 4 of them, because 4 is the lucky number. And also, I want to add like a big abdomen to lay its robot eggs so he can reproduce. But you're probably wondering, Wither Shark, why does he need to eat robots? I mean metal. Which is basically a robot invasion that's trying to take over the human race. That's what I made him for. So yeah, but one of him cannot save the whole world. So I made a way so he can reproduce. So yeah, this is what a basic robot looks like. It's this guy with a Enderman head. Okay. Now, this is the way he like metals. But you're probably wondering, does metal-eating creatures exist in the real world? But there are wood-eating creatures. You probably know them by the name of termites. They eat wood. They make it its food source. So if you see a tree nearby, it might be a house of a termite. So yeah, and I take that step a notch because this guy can literally metal. He can yum metal. So yeah, he's the perfect way for devouring robots. So the robots will just basically go here and he will yum them, and until they get dissolved in his stomach. It's really not that big, but it's okay. So yeah, that's the full episode of Mantis. By the way, I'm gonna create a banner episode of Mr. Mantis. Or what should we call him? Leave in the comment section down below. See you tomorrow, guys. And tomorrow, I'm gonna talk about his legs. So I'm just gonna quickly post him eating a robot because I feel like I haven't shown that to you yet. He needs to eat a robot. Let's just quickly take off that arm. Now this is a very tricky part. The head needs to be locked up in here and the arms free as we. Okay. Let's pause him. Yum a robot. Yes, he's gonna yum a robot. Yes, extend the arms. He's kind of hugging the robot. And that's him eating the robot. Dun, 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 dun. So, bye-bye guys!